Hello everyone, welcome back to FX 20 pips. Today is the 13th of July 2023. Today is a Thursday. Time is now morning 8:57 a.m. GMT plus 8. We are currently at GBPUSD 8 hours. Yesterday was the US CPI data release, and basically before the news was released, you can see that the price went down, and once the result is released, the price then just started to shot up, and as expected, the FIP level of 1.3000 round numbers is currently the resistance. Okay, let's go up to the weekly time frame. Okay, if you've seen my previous video, I talk about the FIP overlapping. All right, and this is the first resistance, and indeed the price went up there and stopped for this week up to now on Thursday. Okay, I have closed my trades. I have nothing on hand now. Okay, the trend line to the trend line, okay, is still valid. Price shot up, retest, now going up. Now I closed the trade because of this resistance. Okay, my personal view is I want it to drop down, okay, before heading up again. So it will be logical to run a FIP here to here, find out the 50%, 68 or 78 point something percent before the price start going up. There's nothing stopping the price to range and then go up. Okay, but I myself would prefer to enter the trade again when price comes down. Now today, like I say, is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, so there isn't much news today. Some minor UK news, and tomorrow is one US news. Okay, one major one, but it is not as big as a CPI or interest rate news. So that's why I closed the trade at a round figure. Not going to waste time seeing what it's going to do. Yeah, so the major direction of bullishness is still valid. Okay, we still have this to go to. We still have the I call that liquidity to take. We still have a block to go to, and we have a major resistance up here. Once this is conquered, then we have to relook at the fundamental from the UK and US again, and see whether price will keep going up, okay, towards this or this. All right, again, it's not always a one-shot arrow rocket up. Okay, it goes down, come up, goes down, come up, and it is all this up and down that we are making money. Okay, if price just keep going up like that, there isn't much money to make, right? So anyway, that's the higher time frame outlook. All right, let's go back to the 8 hours. Now let's do our daily activity. Let's just move the 8 hours range. At this stage, you can see that first candle shot up, second candle was bearish all the way down. Alright, but this is expected because of the news and the creating of a lower time frame liquidity, which I will show you later in the 5-minute chart. Alright, but the point here is the first candle went up, second candle is still was still above, and then the news, and then the current candle now. So this 8 hours range is no longer valid, so we need to move it. So let's do that. I'll move it to here and here. Okay, so now the 8 hours range is this one, right? The fib resistance is still here, so I leave it there. That's for the 8 hours. All right, the liquidity all the way to the left side, I have duplicated here, so watch my previous video, then you can find out how I create this imaginary liquidity here. So let's go to the 1 hour. Now yesterday I had the buy and sell zone set up. All right, and from this time, let's look at what time is it. This is the 1 p.m. time. Okay, meaning that this was the highest Asia fib, and then this was the highest body of the candle during Asia. So I created the breakout buy, and I used the breakout sell of here to here. Nonetheless, from 1 p.m. price just go down like a ladder until the news came up. So what happened in the 5 minutes? Now like what I say, I wasn't interested in sell, so this has no effect to me. This has no effect to me, knowing that news is going to come. All right, and things to note is that price never get below the midpoint here, and then obviously it went up all the way, breakout above the breakout buy, and now it just hang out around here. It's ranging around here, right? So let's go to the 5 minutes. And 5 minutes was the one I was very happy to see this, because this is a lower time frame liquidity, which I posted in my Discord group. I remove it. I think I drew a liquidity, something like that. Okay, I will put my Discord post up here, and then you can see. I think it's something like that. So I was happy throughout the afternoon. GMT plus 8 my time, that price keep going down, and was just simply waiting for the news to come in at 8:30. So just right here, okay, 8:30 is this bullish candle, right? And you can see that even before 8:30, people are starting to buy up. Okay, so once it showed up here, then I make another post to tell them that the 9 p.m. 8 hours candle, okay, will continue to go up, because this was the impulse move due to the news. And then here you have same group of seller trying to sell it down, right? But the moment they couldn't get it any lower than the first impulse, all right, they will give up, and then buyers come in, which is from the 9 p.m. New 8 hours candle, which is here. Okay, so if you see here, this is the 9 p.m. See my cursor? So right here, okay, 9 p.m. You can see it. Okay, 9 p.m. So from then it is a new 8 hours candle. Okay, remember we are at the 5 minutes chart, but then this is the start of the 8 hours candle. So this candle carry on with the momentum and went all the way to here. So when it doesn't want to go any higher, okay, and knowing that this is the fib overlap resistance, the best thing is take profit, right? And throughout yesterday night, up to today, okay, it is still ranging here, right? So where will the price go now? Like what I said, personally, I want it to go back down, just for people to take profit here. Okay, let's go down, bring it down to a more affordable price before we go up again. All right, this will be a more healthy, bullish trend. Okay, let's just run to see what's the FIB value here. Just interest. I have interest to know. Let's put it here, here, and do my both ends. Beautiful, right? So point here, again retrace 50%, 9 p.m. 8 hours candle start, and just hit the first level of the FIB resistance. What if I were to run from all the bottom to here? Does it show me anything? Seems to be not much of a difference, but it's still on the 50%, still on this level. All right, so FIB is very important. Okay, FIB is not any secondary indicator. What I'm trying to say is, it's not about maths formula where you count all these things and then run a formula to give you an indicator. No, FIB is very simple, of the percentage of the pullback, and FIB is the only one that shows you the future potential take profit or resistance or support. Okay, however you frame it, and depending on how you use the FIB, but FIB is the only one that can show you the future. Yeah, isn't it scary? It shows you the future in the chart, in a sense. Well, I'm a firm believer in FIB, of course when it works. And it does work most of the time if you look at my video, especially on a higher time frame, where you can see that price took a momentary stop, and this would be good enough to take profit for me. All right, yeah, just don't go into the argument of or you say FIB is going to stop at 1.29980, but you went to 1.29990. Oh, the FIB is not accurate, you know, Well, let's not draw a single line to determine, okay? It is always a range of the price where the price will react to, not to the exact point. If it's to the exact point, it will be good, but usually it's not. Okay. Anyway, there will be people who don't believe in FIB. That's fine, you know. Non-believer make their money, believer makes the money, the world happy. All right, everyone makes the money. Okay, it's not a life or death matter. Just trust your own chart. If you have your own indicator, you trust it, go ahead and use it. Okay, I'm not here to tell you that you must use mine. Of course, we are all adults. Okay, do whatever you want. Okay, if you want to learn more, you follow me. If you don't want to learn more, just scroll past and look for the next YouTube people. All right, we're here to learn and share, and just take it as it is. If it suits your personality, follow it. If it doesn't suit you, move along. All right, life is too short. Anyway, let's go and do our daily activities. Here we go. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Close it. Let's go to previous high. Let's hide a few things so it's easy to draw. Where's the range box? Move this. Where is the FIB? There you go. Hide all this. Don't need to buy and sell. All right. And I don't need this. Okay, so high. Day high. Previous day high will be here. Previous day low will be here, and then find a 50% fib. This will be our midpoint. And where are you? Just want to do, there we go. 50%, just about here. Alright, close it. That's it. What time is it now? It's about 9:11. It's too early to draw a breakout to buy and sell. And the eyes, I mean, I can say that this is a breakout buy and sell, but it's still too early. I will draw one in the about 1 or 2 and post it in my Discord group. But like what I say, I most probably won't be trading unless the price goes down again. Okay, even if it keeps going up, I will just have to wait for it to come down. Okay, I'm not going to chase the price. Alright, especially Thursday, Friday will be profit taking, I believe. So profit taking, let's wait for it to come down. Hopefully. Okay, we can only have scenarios plan ahead. If it works and follow our scenarios, that's good. If it doesn't, then let's wait for next week. Alright, that will be all for today, and right, thanks for listening. Goodbye.